Hi, Alex here from Rebeloper.com and welcome to Pablo. Now, if you have happened to stumble upon this video and you already haven't joined Pablo, go ahead, you can do that in the link down below. But if you have already joined Pablo, then congratulations. This is the video that will show you what to do next. So I will talk about what you need to do in order to accommodate yourself with Pablo. And furthermore, you will be contacted by us within 24 hours with your PayPal email, and we will discuss in that email the further steps that you need to take. Well, you are in, so let's take a look at the dashboard that you will get access to soon. So, first of all, you will get access to a Trello board. Now, what is Trello? Well, Trello lets you work more collaboratively and get more done. Now, this is a free service, so if you haven't already done so, go ahead and sign up. Of course, after you sign up, or even before that, you can download the Mac app from the App Store. Just type in Trello into the search and download it, and maybe you can register in the app too, if I'm correct. Now, once you do get in that email your personal Trello board with your personal designer, of course, you will see something like this. Of course, you can have it, well, you can join Trello via browser, and you can browse it on a browser too. Now, let me just show you one example of a Trello board that you are going to have. So first of all, here we have our request. Now, you can add a new card whenever you want. Of course, you will be keeping in touch with your designer and discussing the requests. They will tell you the amount of time it will take, how they will make it, and so on. Okay, so go ahead, once you are in, click on the requests tab and add another card. Now, once a card is created, of course, do add as many details to that request as possible. Now, once you collaborate with your designer and they start working on it, it will be dragged into the current work. Now, of course, when the work is done, the designer will put it into the waiting for feedback, and you just give a feedback, maybe make some changes, and after that, it will be put under the done. Now, where will your designs live? Well, you will get a private Dropbox folder, and go ahead and click on this card, and you will be revealed your special private Dropbox folder where you will be able to download all of the designs that you asked for. Now, that is it. Well, it's pretty simple, right? You just request a new design, you just work on it, give feedback. Once it is done, it is under the Done tab. And of course, you can download all of the files from your private Dropbox folder. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you will love Pablo as much as we love working on it. Now, if you have just stumbled upon this video, go ahead and subscribe to Pablo with the link down below. And if you have already subscribed to Pablo, then make sure that you watch that email within 24 hours. Okay? And I will see you in the next one.